Hello, this is Jamie Magridge. Welcome to Jamie's Craft Table. Today we're just going to play. I want to create a card using these leftover pieces from my scrapbook page the other day. So let's get started. I'm going to be using the Hello Sentiment from Stampin'Up's Vine Design. These die cuts came from this set here, which is Pierce Bloom's dies. There's the number there. I don't know if you could see it. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to be using a strip of gray granite, which is 1 1/4 by 5 1/2. I have a piece of saffron, which is 4 1/2 by 5 1/2. Then I have my card base, which is 5 1/2 by 8 1/2, scored and folded at 4 1/4. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to mount this gray granite piece down here towards the bottom of this. I'm going to leave just a little bit of that showing at the bottom. Come on. Oh, you're not going to come out again, are you? There we go. Okay, so I'm going to leave like a 1/8 of an inch down there at that bottom. Okay. Now I'm going to take these. I'm just going to start, this one's already full. I'm just going to lay some of these out here. Let's see, move this ink pad. Put a red one over here. Oh, there's a pretty pink one. Let's put that one over here. Let's do a white one here. And I want them to kind of do this little stagger, covering up this line. So some are going to be higher, some are going to be lower. Alright, now let's add some centers. Let's see, I think I'll put that one on there. I don't really have centers here, so we're just going to do with what we have. Let's put that one there. Let's not. Let's try this one. Put that one on there. Do this one on here. And then, let's see, what else do I got left? Guess I'll do it like that. Then we'll fit in some of these leaves. Oh, I don't have one on here, do I? This one? Or do I want to do the white? Well, this one's 5-pointed. I don't know if it'll fit. We'll do that, I think. Alright, then let's just add some leaves in here. I think I'm going to switch this one. Yeah, I like it better this one. Okay. the little leaves here. I don't want to fill it up too much, but I want it to have enough. There's another set of small leaves. Let's put those here. Actually, I'm going to take it in half. I'm going to put one here. And one here. Okay, and there's one more small leaf over here. Let's add that one up here. Alright, I think I kind of like that. So I think I'm going to use that seal and meal trick because I really kind of like the way these are laid out. Yeah, I got to do the centers first anyway, so let's do the centers first. Hopefully we won't mess it up too badly. So I really kind of like the way this is laid out. That one's already glued, good. Alright. More here. Okay, and I'm going to put you on pause real fast so I can go find my seal meal. And I will be right back. Sorry, I know I said seal meal, I meant press and seal. You could use a low-tack tape too, probably. This is what I have, so this is what I'm going to use. Okay, so I'm going to set this down over the top of this. Hopefully it doesn't move too much. And I'm going to press down on everything. This one moved, I know, so let's put that back there. I think that looks pretty good. Okay, now I can pick it up and take this part off. I can add glue to the back of it. Just a little bit to each thing. Okay, flip it back over. Oh, that worked really well. Let's press it down. And we'll peel this back off nice and slowly so don't peel everything off with it. Well, maybe it didn't work so well. This one didn't stay, it didn't have enough glue on it. This leaf goes there, tuck it in there. Push down. Alright. Now let's adhere this to the front of our card. Oh, I want to stamp on it first. I think they'll all stay down now. I'm just going to use Memento ink. I'm just going to stamp hello right over here. Perfect. Okay. Now I'm just wondering if I want to put centers in the center of these flowers, but let's put this away before I get ink all over everything. You know, like a gem or something. I really kind of like it just like it is. Okay, so I'm going to set this down on my work surface so I make sure I get a straight edge. Press it down. There we go. I wonder, should I add this bow? Maybe right there. Why not? Let's add it. It's going to need some Winkostella on it or something though. Got a little bit of glue on it. From before, not from now. I've taken 2 of those and glued them together. It's just sitting on my desk. There we go. It was one of those experiment, let's play with it things. There we go. Well, there's a nice card. Let's see. I bring in, these are these aren't Stampin' Up, but those might look nice on the inside of those. Let's try it. Big one on a couple. What do you think? With it or without? I don't know. I'm going to leave them off for now. Oh, if I can. Because I really like it without, but I kind of like it with too. Well, let me know in the comments, should I add those gems on there? Well, thanks for watching me today. I hope everybody has a great rest of your day, and I hope you can find a little bit of time to play with some stamps, ink, and paper. Have a great one, everyone.